Hello, I'm very pleased to present you the second movement of Richard Dubugnon's Sonata, which was composed in 2009 for me. And so this second movement is very nice to play because, first of all, a little scherzo, not fast, in 10/16. This is the rhythm measure. And so you simply do like this first. 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay? And then as a second voice, you add some rhythm in this part over your left hand. The piano is going now. And then pizzicato normale. It's the same rhythm with the piano. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. So now a kind of accompaniment. Da, 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 always the same rhythm, and we do And then you have another possibility is con legno. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Da, da, da. 2, 3. 2, 3. This is kind of rhythmic, which is always the same coming back. 4, 5. And this is the re-exposition now, and so we have so something instead of con legno like this. I like to play on this part, not to destroy my bow. Okay, and then again picking. Like this, and then now with harmonic, like this, like this, like this, So I hope you enjoy and you will like this very nice sonata. Thank you.